Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make apple cider muffins. We look good and it's perfect for the fall. Let's get started. Alright, get a large mixing bowl. I put in 2 cups of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of apple pie spice for this, and 1 cup of sugar. Now just whisk this together. On another large mixing bowl, get 2 eggs, beat these together, just beat these eggs. Two tablespoons of vegetable oil, add a quarter of a cup of whole milk, and a half a cup of apple cider. Mix it all together until it's nicely combined. And I'll pour the this mixture into the flour mixture and just mix it in really well until it's nice and combined and all the lumps are out. Makes a really yummy muffin batter. Now, you might need to add a little bit more apple cider. But then I'll mix it together so you get a really nice muffin batter. Now you preheat your oven to 350 degrees and get some muffin tray provided with some cupcake holders. Get the mixture and just put it in there. Might need to add a little bit more. Now pop them in the oven for about 20 to 23 minutes and then you see how it goes. Alright, put this away. So put them on a plate like that to let them cool. I know, but you still want them to be warm. Alright, once the muffins are out of the oven and cool down, but still a little bit warm, get 2 bowls. One with a quarter of a cup of unsalted butter that's nice and melted. On the other bowl, put 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of apple pie spice. And just mix it together. Be careful not to spill it. Alright, then get your muffin stir up nice and warm. Dunking the butter. Then dunking it here. Yeah. Well, I forgot to try my recipe for an apple cider muffins, as you can see. Whoa. They're working. Oh, you have no idea how good they smell. Oh, scrumptious. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Before I go, I want to let you guys know there will be no video next week because I'm going to Dallas. So I'm making myself prepared. I know I said that last time in the community part, but I didn't have my date ID, but now I got it. So I will not do a video next week because I want to get myself prepared for my big trip. So I want to let you guys know that. So I will see you for a new recipe. Peace out.